Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's continue this school website with Elementor Page Builder. Okay, and here we have done with the teachers and classes. We have done the design the samples. We have designed the templates. Now let's design for the examinations. Add new. Okay, let's call it first terminal examination or first semester examination, whatever you call it. Examination 2021. Exam. Okay, let's use this one. Small. Miss Elementor provide, publish it. Okay, edit with Elementor. Okay, insert this class details template. Yeah, we have to change this title. Yes, I have mentioned before, if you have dynamic widgets for this title or picture image or any of these contents, try to use it. Title, here there is page title widget from header, footer and blocks by okay, we can use like this here. Okay, if you use this widget, then you do not have to change it for every page. And typography 60. Okay, like this, and since these two link these two examinations, examination page, yeah, this page. Okay, and we can delete this. Of course, here this is examination timetable. It is much necessary, and let's edit this table. Okay, okay, first header is call it class. Well, first make it date. Second one, class. Third, timing 2 hours, 9:30 to 11:30. And once in the afternoon, 1 in the afternoon. 130 to 330. Okay, something like this. Okay, first row make sense to that. For example, okay, 11 7 2021, and next one is I think there is something. Yeah, class 6 to 10. Okay, maths 3, something like this. Okay, and if you do not like this table, it is time consuming, you can also copy it. For example, here Excel, say that class 11 9:30 to 11:30, 1:30 to 3:30. Okay, make it all border, make this ball or ball underlined yellow or orange color, something like this, and insert data here. Something like this. Okay, copy this and come back here. Instead of this table widgets, and a table widget is a little heavy. It takes time to edit this widget, so you can use this text widget, text editor widget, and paste it here, paste the table here like this, and we can delete this too. Yep, you can use the table like this. And the benefit of this table is easier to link. Here you can link this everything this page contains. Okay, and next, okay, Control Z. Okay, next also duplicate. Next is let's set background color, pick color history, copy this, paste it here, reduce the opacity. Okay, next examination timetable, then examination results. Okay, and delete the okay, you can also set results, for example class okay, and biology, physics, maths, chemistry, geography, history, something like this. Make it all bordered, bold, underlined, underlined. Okay, and class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, something like this, and see results. Okay, copy this here. Okay, and we can link this to a PDF file. Okay, upload your exam results as an PDF file and link this PDF file for class-wise. Yeah, results. You can link to the PDF URL here like this, PDF file, and like that. Okay, when someone click on this, it will lead to the PDF page, PDF results page for class 6 biology and class 7 biology here, something like this. Okay, results, and copy this, paste it. Oh, not working. Or here. Okay. Syllabus on previous year questions. Okay, same here. Previous year questions or syllabus. Same here. You can copy this, paste it here. Instead of see results, you can say download question or whatever. Yeah, you can say download questions instead of see results, and you can upload the PDF files, previous year questions, whatever. And here, instead of teachers, our classes, and edit this. Instead of teachers, set to classes. Okay, and that's it. here, sorry, this widget, make it center align like this, same here. Okay, okay, for the examination detail page, we have examination timetable, examination results here, examination related previous year question, syllabus, whatever you can upload it here, and this is classes. Okay, save as template, exam details, save it. Okay, we can use this exam details template and design other examinations when you want to upload update an examination for upcoming examination or the past examination. Okay, let's make samples for upcoming examination or past examination. Make it sample about 4 samples. Okay, if you have watched my previous video, you know how to use these templates to design the same type of contents, same type of page. So yeah, use this template, a newly saved template, and design all these examination samples contents. Okay, see you in the next video. In the next video, let's design news and events page. Thanks for watching this video. Once again, yeah, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to leave your valuable feedbacks